from Telangana Icet 2021 August 20 morning batch. So I have collected few questions from one of my friends. So today we'll be discussing answers for those few questions. So there was a question asking what is the full form of logo. It's nothing but in computer language, it's in language. So language of graphics oriented, there was 4 options given, so you can easily guess, and anyone with the minimum computer knowledge can easily identify the full form. And what was the full form of HTML? It's nothing but hypertext markup language, which we use for front end. So software engineers may be knowing it more. And there was a question stating pick the odd one out. So 4 numbers were given, and we were asked to pick the odd one out. So if you observe, each number is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square of 2, and 9 is a square of 3, 25 is a square of 5, and 81 is a square of 9. So what could be the one thing that separates one of these options as an odd one? So if you observe, 4 is an even number, 9, 25, 81, these 3 are odd numbers. So when you first see these numbers, you will definitely think that these are perfect squares. No, what could be the odd one? So if you observe clearly, there is only one even number and rest of 3 are odd numbers. So the odd one out would be 4. So the answer would be 4. And here there was a series given and asked to find out the next number in this series. So we need to guess this number. So typically 4 options are given, but right now my friend couldn't remember the option, so she just told me the question. So this is 3 by 8, 5 by 24, 7 by 28. If you observe, the above the numerator is are odd numbers. So 3, 5, 7, and so what could be the next number? It would be definitely 9. And if you observe these below ones, 8 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. No, 8, 24, 48. So these 3 numbers are multiples of 8. If you observe, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is left in between, 8 3s are 24. And the next 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40 is left. 2 numbers are left in between, and 8 6 are 48. So one number is left here, 2 numbers are left here. So here we will leave 3 numbers. So the answer could be the denominator could be 8 6 are 48. So we will be leaving 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72. So 8 10s are 80. This could be a possible answer if this answer is present in the option. So this would definitely be the answer, or we could look into the question in some other way, like so let me write the next one. So if you observe, these numerator ones are also prime numbers, right? 3 5 7. So the numerator could be the next prime number could be 11, right? So one of the possible options be 11 by 80 also. If so the attended ones could know the answer. If any of these is present in the options, you can directly put down them. So there is no other way of looking at this question. And next question, median mode. Median is given as 56, mode is given as 54, and we were supposed to find median. So if you could remember, there is a relation between mean, median, and mode. There is a formula which has relation between mean, median, and mode. To mean is equal to mode. So let me write me the formula. 3 median minus 2 mean is equal to mode. So this is a relation between mean, median, and mode. So if median is given and mode is given, we were supposed to find the mean, right? So we will directly find it. 3 into median is 56 minus 2 into mean is what we are supposed to find, right? So let me put it as Z, Z or A. Let it be anything. And mode is given as 54, right? So 54. Now 3 into 56 would be 6 3s are 18, 8 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, and it is 168. So minus 54 is equals to 2a. That's it, right? So 168 minus 54, it would be 11 4 114. That's it, right? Is equal to 2a. 2a. So what is the value of a? A is 114 divided by 2, which is around 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. So our answer is mean is 57. So that's it. There was another question. My friend couldn't remember it completely. So maybe this would be the question. So I didn't get the answer for it, but let's give a try again. So 2 sin x minus sin 2x, right? So sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x whole divided by x. And if suppose 2 sin x is taken as common, we could write it as 1 minus cos x whole divided by x, right? So further, I don't know whether it can be solved or it's just a half of the question. If any one of you have answered this question, let me know in the comment section, please. And let's go to the next question. So here we were asked to find the odd one out here. So we were given options as dog, cat, rat, hen. So if you have a look at this, dog, it's like a pet animal. You can have dog as a pet, or cat as a pet, or rat as a pet, or maybe hen. Everything can be a pet. But if you are a non like if any of these can be eaten, so it can only be hen, right, with our chicken. So this could be the odd one. This is the way I thought. Maybe don't know what could be the perfect answer. Maybe this couldn't be the perfect question. I don't know whether my friend has told me the correct one or not, but I think hen could be the answer, could be the odd one according to me. So if you know this answer, or if this question is wrong, please let me know in the comment section. And we were asked to find the ratio of volume of cylinder and volume of cone. So what is the volume of cylinder formula? It's nothing but pi r square h, right? So in my keyboard I don't have pi, right? Pi. So let me write pi as pi into r square, r power 2 into h. That's it, right? Whole divided by volume of cylinder could be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r power 2 into h. So If we cancel these pi and r square and h, so what would be left out? 1 divided by 1 divided by 1 by 3, right? So what could be the answer? 3 by 1, or else 3:1. That's it, right? And there was another question stating if a pair of dice are thrown, what is the probability that sum of the two numbers on the dice would result in a prime number? So if we write all the possible prime numbers from 1 to 6, right? So no, it's a sum of two numbers. So it can be, let me take 2 also, 2 or 3 or 5, 7, and what else? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's it, right? From 1 to 12. Yeah. So, what are the possible numbers on the pair of dice that could result in a prime number after the summation? So, these are the possible outcomes which, when summated, could result in a prime number. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So for 2 we have only one combination. So for 3, 1 comma 2, and likewise we have all these numbers. So the total number of possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total we have 15 outcomes. And what is the sample space? So we are showing 2 dice, right? So pair of dice. So it would be 6 into 6, so 36. So 15 by 36, which can be simplified as 15 by 36. Simplification: 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 5 by 12. And coming to the next question, here we were given like there is a number which is divided by 5. It would leave a remainder 3. So let that number be x. So when we are dividing that number with 5, we are getting a remainder of 3. So this statement is clear, right? So after this, what is the remainder when that number is squared when divided by 5? So it is pretty simple. So that number is Rx. So you know, right, dividend, divisor, remainder. So we have written that in a form of an equation by taking the relationship between those. So it could result in y is equal to 5x plus 3. 3 is the remainder. So 5 is the one which we are dividing with. So so this is the what do you call it as 5 into x plus 3. This would result in y. So when the number is squared, so this is the number, right? Y is equal to 5x plus 3. So we are squaring on both sides. Once we are squaring on both sides, we are expanding this equation. So we are getting this. So this is the number. Now it is squared, and now when divided by 5, so this number has to be divided by 5. So 25 when divided by 5 is it's perfectly divisible. 30 when divided by 5 is also perfectly divisible, but 9 is not perfectly divisible. So 9 when divided by 5 would result in a remainder of 4. That's it, right? So the answer is 4. Is it clear? Or if someone has more clarity, can put down their thoughts in your comment section. So there was another question asking to write in a passive voice. So the question was open the door. What could be the passive voice of open the door? It could be let the door be opened. If this is present in our option, so this could be the answer. And there is another question. Who is the person who judges one art and culture? He is nothing but Philistinism. That thing is called Philistinism, but the person is called Philistine or Philistine. So these are a few questions I have. Uh, I gave my best to present the answers for you, and ignore if there are any mistakes, and I'm done. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and if you want any other teaching videos, I'm ready to teach. You can please share your thoughts